Every player knows, the right badminton racket can be the difference between a game-changing smash and a lost rally. Power, speed, and control all come down to the gear in your hand. In today's video, we're revealing the best Yonex badminton rackets that can take your performance to the next level. Number 6. Yonex Astrox 88 Play. The Yonex Astrox 88 Play is a racket built for players who crave power without needing a perfect swing every time. It's head-heavy and flexible, which means it helps beginners and low-intermediate players generate effortless clears and smashes, even when their technique isn't fully polished. If you often find yourself struggling to push the shuttle deep into the backcourt, this racket gives you that extra boost, making defensive lifts and counterattacks much easier. On offense, the 88 Play really shines with powerful smashes and quick stick smashes in doubles, where speed matters more than a full swing. At the same time, it adds confidence to defensive blocks, letting you redirect smashes with ease instead of relying on raw strength. Of course, this power comes with trade-offs. The extra head weight can make the racket feel slower at the net and more tiring during long attacking sessions. Soft, controlled shots in the front court require finesse, and in fast doubles exchanges, it might feel a little heavy compared to faster rackets like the Arcsaber 11 Play. Still, for players who value effortless power and need help turning defense into attack, the Astrox 88 Play is a reliable partner. It gives you the confidence to send the shuttle deep, strike with authority, and stay competitive even when your technique isn't perfect. Number 5. Yonex Arcsaber 11 Play. The Yonex Arcsaber 11 Play is a fantastic all-rounder for players stepping up from beginner to intermediate level. Unlike rackets that focus heavily on power, this one emphasizes balance and control, giving you more confidence to guide the shuttle exactly where you want it. Its design helps create a slightly longer contact time with the shuttle, which translates into precision and stability during rallies. For clears and lifts, the racket feels easy to handle, with just enough power to keep you in the game without overwhelming your shots. Smashes are possible too, but they require more timing and technique compared to power-focused rackets like the Astrox series. Where the Arcsaber 11 Play really shines is in its versatility. Whether you're defending with blocks, trading fast drives, or crafting drop shots, it gives you a dependable and consistent response. At the net, you'll notice the extra control, perfect for placing tight shots without overhitting. Its balanced feel also makes it great for doubles, where quick reactions and accuracy often matter more than raw power. For players who want to improve their overall game and move away from relying only on smashes, the Arcsaber 11 Play is an excellent choice. It encourages smarter play, better precision, and a more versatile approach on the court. Number 4. Yonex Astrox 88D Game. If you're the type of player who loves adding punch to your rallies, the Yonex Astrox 88D Game is built to bring the power. While this third-generation version dials back the raw force slightly compared to its predecessor, it balances things out with quicker handling and more versatility, making it especially fun for doubles play. The racket still delivers strong smashes and sharp stick shots when you hit the sweet spot, but now it feels lighter and faster in hand. That means it shines in mid-court battles and defensive exchanges, where quick reactions are key. During fast drive duels, it's easier to maneuver, helping you stay in control even when the shuttle is flying back and forth at high speed. Defensive blocks feel solid too, with just enough rebound to send the shuttle back cleanly over the net. At the same time, the reduced head weight gives you a touch more control on net shots, though precision is still essential to avoid overhitting. Overall, the Astrox 88D Game strikes a nice balance. Powerful enough to punish opponents from the backcourt, but agile enough to thrive in doubles and defensive rallies. For intermediate players who want both speed and power, this racket is a strong contender. Number 3. Yonex Arcsaber 7 Tour. The Yonex Arcsaber 7 Tour is designed for players who want balance and precision rather than raw power. With its slightly stiffer shaft, it delivers a crisp and responsive feel, giving you more accuracy on half smashes, stick smashes, and quick exchanges at the net. While it doesn't quite have the firepower to blast through opponents, it rewards clean technique with sharp, well-placed shots. Being a touch more headlight than the Arcsaber 11 Play, it swings faster through the air, an advantage in fast doubles rallies where quick reactions are key. Defense feels smoother, and it's easier to get your racket into position when opponents are pressuring you with back-to-back attacks. On the flip side, that lighter head means you'll need to add a bit more effort on clears and blocks, especially when you're under pressure at the backcourt. What stood out most is the control this racket offers in softer shots. Net play feels precise, making it easier to keep the shuttle low and force errors from your opponent. For doubles players looking for a racket that balances speed and control without being overly demanding, the Arcsaber 7 Tour is an excellent step up from beginner-friendly models. Number 2. Yonex Astrox 100 Game. The Yonex Astrox 100 Game is built for players who crave raw power and want to feel the game tilt in their favor with every swing. From the very first rally, it impresses with how easy it makes defensive blocks and lifts. Almost like the racket does half the work for you. Even when you're caught late, it sends the shuttle back with surprising ease, keeping you in the point and buying precious time. Where it truly shines is in smashes and drives. The head-heavy design and solid frame translate into explosive shots that can overwhelm opponents, giving you the confidence to attack relentlessly. Flat exchanges feel sharp and powerful, and clears from the backcourt are effortless, even when fatigue sets in. For players who sometimes struggle to generate their own power, this racket feels like a secret weapon. Of course, that much power comes with a trade-off. Net play requires extra control, as it's easy to add a touch too much force and hand your opponent an easy kill. Mid-court rallies can also be tricky if you don't hold back, as shots tend to fly higher than intended. But for players who thrive on offense and love the feeling of sending the shuttle deep into the court, the Astrox 100 Game is a game changer. It's a powerful, confidence-boosting racket perfect for intermediate players who want to dominate with aggressive play. Number 1. Yonex Astrox 100ZZ. This racket is designed to feel like a true extension of your arm, offering a balance of speed, control, and crisp power. Unlike heavier power rackets that can feel demanding, this one delivers effortless acceleration and clean feedback from the very first swing. The shaft has a solid core that distributes weight evenly, making it easy to generate power without sacrificing comfort. From the backcourt, clears fly deep with minimal effort, while smashes, whether full, half, or slice, carry a sharp, controlled punch. It's less about raw, overwhelming force and more about precision and consistency, which is often what wins rallies. Drops feel deceptively steep, and slices cut through with ease, allowing you to change pace and direction at the last second. In the midcourt, quick drives and exchanges feel natural, while at the net, the shorter shaft design and responsive head balance give you the control you need for fast kills and delicate touches. What truly sets this racket apart is its versatility. It's powerful without being overbearing, fast without being unstable, and precise without being unforgiving. With a generous sweet spot and a design that rewards both offense and defense, it's a dependable all-rounder that adapts to many different playing styles. Perfect for players who value precision and speed but still want reliable access to power. It's especially well-suited for singles players who rely on placement and control, but also versatile enough for doubles thanks to its quick handling at the net. Yonex continues to dominate the badminton world with rackets that balance power, speed, and control. Let us know in the comments which Yonex racket you're playing with or planning to try. And if this video helped you out, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and share it with your fellow badminton players. Until next time, play smart, play strong, and keep dominating the court.